Hey there, Leslie here. Well, today we're going to talk about this question. Do I need a career change totally, or do I need a new situation? And this is for beginner paralegals. You're looking at this career for the first time perhaps, and let's take two different career paths that are looking at the paralegal field. And that these are nurses and teachers. Those aren't the only people, but I'm going to use them as examples. You know, it may be that and I have nurses in my family. It may be that you're tired of the situation, the people that you're working with, the facility you're working in, and all it would take would be a change in atmosphere, okay, and people. And that you're interviewing and you're trying to determine what the culture is of a different workplace. I mean, similar to your field, but will this be a good place to work? Not going from the frying pan to the fire, okay, type of thing. Teachers face the same thing. And it may be that you have to change where you're working and find a happier environment if that's possible. Nurses have the option of going into home health and other venues. But that may not work for you for different reasons. It may be that the pay won't be high enough. But that brings me to this subject. If you're looking at the paralegal field, be very careful in thinking that when you research on Google that the average salary is anywhere from $50,000 to $58,000, that, oh my goodness, I'm going into that, and that'll be like a lateral move for some people, especially coming from healthcare, especially nursing, when you have your higher degree in nursing, then you're not going to make that in most cities as a paralegal. That average salary is not true. They're taking like very experienced paralegals who've worked in the industry for 30 years or more, and they're putting those salaries from a New York City, Chicago, LA, San Francisco, and then averaging that out. That makes no sense, right? That's not an accurate salary picture. Starting paralegals sometimes make barely above minimum wage to $15 an hour. Don't quote me on that. It really depends on the legal workplace and what they can afford to pay. But they are not going to be dishing out $50,000 to $58,000 for a beginner, because they know you have a lot to learn yet. Okay, and for nurses, I could see going to work for a personal injury attorney and perhaps bumping that up. But everyone else, you're going to start and work your way up. So be sure to go visit the website paralegalcoffeetalk.com and look around there. It's totally for beginners.